Hey guys, Anthony the Rag Company, and in today's video, we are saying thank you for 100,000 subscribers. Are you kidding me?
That was fun, Anthony.
Be sure to check out all of the other videos we have right here on the Rag Company YouTube channel.
Hope you're along for the ride.
We can't believe it. After many years of making detailing videos, that 100K mark, right? That's like the definitive point of being like, wow, you guys make YouTube videos. This is the real deal. And we are so grateful and so happy to finally hit that mark. And because of that, we have something extra special that we're going to be doing today. We are going to be detailing our 100K YouTube play button. Now, this is pretty surreal because back in the day, I came onto the Rag Company about, I think it was about a year and a half after TRC had started making YouTube videos. So really, I mean, it was like no more than maybe 1,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers by the time I came on. And after many years and a lot of help from other TRC media members, this has just been a totally wild ride, and we're super happy to finally hit that 100K mark. And it sounds like the detailing is just going to continue. So inside here, behold, the 100K plaque. Shall we do this together? Are we ready? Let's do this. I can't believe it. This is gonna look so cool in the office. I don't know what we're gonna do to maybe have some decorations around it, maybe some throwback pictures or something like that. Are we ready to detail? Are we ready to do this thing? Of course we are. We've built this channel around detailing. We will continue to do so. So our plaque, and we have our Detail Factory brush here, extra soft, ultra soft, I should say. And then we have Pilot Interior Detailer. Now what I like about Pilot is that this does actually have UV protection in it if you want to use this as a standalone for your interior, but in today's case, it's just going to be a nice mild cleaner. So spray that into here. Oh, I've jumped the gun. What have I done? Hold on. We need to do a hydrophobic test. We have just, all right. We have just distilled water in this sprayer here. So is the plaque hydrophobic straight from YouTube? Not necessarily. Now, actually, can we see that? I don't want to get this thing too wet. I don't know if it's like weatherproof, but there is some beading. I'm going to just assume that that's just a nice clean surface, right? Same way you would see with brand new paint, clean paint. We'll do the same thing. So we'll take a ripping rag, we'll mop that up. This is so funny. If you would have told me back when we had like 1,000 subscribers that someday, Anthony, you're going to be detailing a play button, I would have laughed and been like, that's weird. Why would we do that? But we're living in the golden age of YouTube where anything goes. So here we are. So Detail Factory brush here. Take our Pilot, spray it directly into the brush. Let's go ahead and build up a nice wicked lather on here. Oh, I love the way this stuff smells. It's just very clean. Ah, good job, boys. Over at ADS, you've made a very nice cleaner. Get in there. What's nice though too is that the mirror is actually like, that's a really tight clearance there. So there's like no gaps or anything like that. So that's kind of cool. So go through, clean that off. Now we're going to take an additional ripping rag here. Wipe off that lather. Actually feels pretty good. We could probably stop here, and honestly, we don't have to probably go any further, but you know, we're making a YouTube video. Of course we're going to go above and beyond, right? Next up, we are going to set this aside. We have a nice clean surface, so now we need to prep it. So I'm going to grab an additional ripping rag here, pull this out. You can never have too many. And we are going to take our panel prep. So panel prep here, we don't probably need a whole lot. We're just going to, a couple sprays there on the surface of the towel, and we're going to take this and start prepping this. The joke is that we didn't know what these letters were made of, and like obviously there's a little bit of solvent in certain coatings and whatnot. That would be the worst. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's feeling good. Fun fact, you know, they made these smaller. They used to be a little bit bigger than this, but you know, we're not complaining because it's not the size of the plaque that matters. It matters how you use it. There we go. We have a prepped plaque and we are now ready for our coating. So I'm going to set this right here and prop this up so you guys can see that. And this is going to be our wrap and tuck applicator. So this comes with suede cloths in there. It's going to come with additional suede in there as well, so you can reuse this and just change out your suede as needed for certain coatings. So I'm going to wrap this just around there. I'm going to use that. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that. Satisfying. Tuck that in. This is the pick set from Detail Factory. So this is great for like little nooks and crannies and stuff, but it's also great for this. So I'm going to tuck that into there. Check that out. Ready to go. Perfect. Grab our coating, give it a little shake. We're going to apply our coating straight to the suede here. And here we go. Coating our 100K plaque. Can you believe it? With the grain. The tops, sides, bottom there. Make sure we have nice even coverage. Get the middle there. Yep, get that coated. Also going to coat the mirror. So I'm going to take this out. This is what's nice about this. If you're wearing gloves, you can just take that off. A little bit of coating on the surface. Then use that to get down into the mirror area. Dude, what if this is like a trend, Jimmy? What if like every other creator sees this and they go, you can ceramic coat a plaque? Yeah, it's going to add UV protection. It's going to extend the life of the finish of the plaque, right? It's going to be able to withstand more dirt. Anytime it gets wet, it's going to withstand that as well.
Well, what we're really doing is we're showing the detailers out there that if you've got YouTubers in your area with over 100K subscribers, you can sell them a package.
You could, right? Letting the coating set up there. I'm going to give it probably just another, 10 seconds or so. It's kind of starting to flash off there here on the mirror section, but yeah, it looks like it's setting up quite nicely. So we're going to take our ripping rag and we're going to knock that down. Oh yeah. Jimmy, this feels good. Eagle, final buff. Our freshly coated 100K subscriber plaque. We will leave everybody with some aftershots here of some of the hydrophobic behavior of our plaque. But again, we want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Without you guys subscribing, without you watching our videos, I don't think the rag company would ever been the rag company you guys see now. I mean, it's pretty amazing what YouTube and social media has been able to do for so many companies out there, for so many individuals out there, for so many creators. It's amazing. And we are so grateful for an awesome platform that's built on education and entertainment and honestly just having fun. So all in all, we're looking forward to many more years of creating YouTube videos, many more subscribers, and of course, many more people getting into detailing and learning more about premium microfiber and premium detailing products. This is what's fun for us, and we enjoy this. So thank you guys so much for 100K. As always, if you guys love our videos, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe down below so we can reach that next milestone, and stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company.